Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today is a different makeup kind of video. I got inspiration from Nicole Guerrero. She uploaded this video last week, although when I'm recording this last night, but when you're watching this last week, if that makes sense. But I watched her video and I'm intrigued. I'm interested in how all of my primers, foundations, concealers and liquid highlighters would look on me when I mixed them all together. I have 7 primers, 14 foundations, 6 concealers and 5 liquid highlighters. So I do have a fair amount of products to mix. It's a little bit crazy in front of me right now, I'm not going to lie. But I'm just going to be using some lids from Tupperware boxes to mix all of these products together. And I do have a spatula slash brush from Tarte to mix everything and to apply everything. And we are just going to get stuck into this because I'm so intrigued, because not everything is my shade. I'm just very intrigued on how everything is going to go. I'm very pale, I do not fake tan, but I do have a few products that are a little bit too light for me and a little bit too dark for me. So this could be interesting. I'm intrigued. So I'm just gonna start by mixing my primers. So like I said, I have 7 primers. So primer number 1 is the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Primer. My Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. My Smashbox Photo Finish Pore Minimising Primer. This isn't necessarily a primer, but I kind of use it with my primers, and this is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Radiance Drops. My Bare Minerals Blemish Remedy Primer. My Lumi Magique from Loreal. And my Prep and Prime Face Protect from MAC. I'm just going to scoop that up and just apply it with the back of the spatula. It actually has a really nice smell to it as well, weirdly. My skin is a little bit textured because it's been that time of the month, so my skin is breaking out. But all these primers feel very thick. It feels like one very luxurious primer. It's that thick, rich feeling. It smells really nice. So all those primers have given me a really soft, smooth, luxurious, illuminating finish. I need to start mixing my primers together more often. I am loving the feeling of this. Weirdly, how is to mix all 14 of my foundations. Jesus, take the wheel. So firstly is the Hybrid Gel from Tarte. The NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat Matte Foundation, if you couldn't tell. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless. There's Flawless Foundation from New Look, which I tried out a couple of weeks ago. The HD Photogenic Foundation by NYX. A BB Tinted Moisturiser from Tarte. My L'Oreal True Match. My Rainforest of the Sea Water Foundation by Tarte. Complexion Rescue Tinted Moisturiser by Bare Minerals. Next to Nothing by MAC. e.l.f. Luminous Foundation. Low-key do not know the name of it. The Pro Filter Matte Foundation by Fenty Beauty. Rimmel's 25-hour Lasting Finish Breathable Foundation. It's their new foundation that comes on a... Finishing with my Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. So that's what it looks like. So now it's time to mix. Ooh, this is not going to be my colour whatsoever. We are going to be looking somewhat tans, guys. I'm just going to go in with my Damp Beauty blender. Actually, the colour's not too bad. Actually. Every single foundation that I own now on my face is very luminous with a slight matte finish. But it's very full coverage as well. And the whole hand to face isn't too bad, provided I don't do this all the time. It's not too bad. It's giving me a little bit of a tan, maybe. Not too bad. So, moving on to concealer. Firstly, Bye Bye Under Eye by IT Cosmetics. Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer. Tarte Shape Tape. Lasting Perfection by Complexion. And then my e.l.f. HD Concealer. And just mix all of them together. And again, just blend all of that out. If you are looking for a natural everyday makeup look, this is not the one. This is definitely cake face, because some of these foundations and concealers, which I haven't mentioned, are actually full coverage. So we are going cake face, full coverage, looking like a Barbie doll. That's the look that we're going for today. And lastly, to finish off, my 5 liquid highlighters. So MAC Strobe Cream, L'Oreal True Match Highlight, Stroke of Light Highlighter by Bare Minerals, Wavy Glow by NYX, Iconic London Illuminator drops to finish off. We are going to be illuminated today, people. Definitely going to be highlighted today, guys. Woo! Oh my god, yes ma'am. Nothing cakey or full coverage about this. It's very natural, it's very glowy. So this is the finished outcome of all my primers, foundations, concealers, liquid highlighters all mixed together. It's very glowy, it's very luminous, it's very natural, obviously. Joking. It's very full coverage, it's very luminous, it's very glowy, it's nowhere near natural. So I am just going to set my face, lashes, lipstick. I'm going to do that all off camera and I will be right back. So I've just put some powder, contour and blush and some more highlight, some lashes and everything else. This lip colour is by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's Mermaid Blood. It's very bold, it's very sassy, it's very in your face. It's a statement piece. I did warn you that I would find an appropriate time to wear this lip colour, and I have. Although I am kind of vibing Wednesday Addams right now. I don't know, maybe it's the lipstick, I don't know. I don't know. But this is all my foundations, concealers, primers, liquid highlighters all mixed. And this is the finished result with face powder and everything else on top. Everything that I have used, every single foundation, concealer, primer, liquid highlighter, everything I have used to set my face as well will also be linked down below for you guys as always. Is this a testing video? I don't know, but if you like this video all the same, then click the thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe. I upload every Tuesday with a makeup related video and every Sunday with a weekly vlog. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!